What? Hey, so smoke that guy. Smoke that guy. Shoot that guy. What? Shoot that guy. Shoot him. Shoot him. Wait, bang, 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 bang. Did it go off? I was telling him to shoot you.
I was like, I don't have a gun. Maybe they won't shoot. Maybe they won't shoot.
You hit me with the grenade. Does that count?
Yeah.
Okay. Go out too. I saw. Oh,
Heads up, heads up. This game isn't. Bang, bang. Would have worked.
Oh.
That was the most timid knife kill attempt I've ever seen. Good thought, but this, just this, is not exactly gonna get you anything.
It was funny as fuck though. It was funny as
It was funny. It's going on YouTube, that's for sure.
Let's go.
All right, let's go get him. Let's go. What?
Loud noises!
I'm fucking out.
You got him?
Are you a big man? Huh? I'm talking to you. What? You wake up in the morning and say, I put on my big boy pants. Look, I'm wearing a belt. I got big boy pants on.
Stop!
We don't do this.
You're scaring the shit out of me, man. Stop it!
This is how you conduct yourself in a democracy?
We'll review the footage. We'll be okay.
Spank me harder, Daddy.
I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna do it.
Dad, what are you doing?
You have to learn there are consequences for your actions.
Dad!
Robert! Oh!
Dad, this is not the end.
You're next, mister. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Get
off me!
Stop it!
Behaviors will not be tolerated.
Hey! What the shit?
Alrighty then.
Yeah. Am I still recording? Because that could be fun.
I don't know.